Delivering a project on time and on budget is at a higher risk when you use disconnected project management tools and solutions. To mitigate this risk, use the Project Planning app on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and integrate your project management efforts with your resources, tasks, and deliverables. Creating a project is simple. Click New Project and give it a name. Add project collaborators, viewers, and resources so that all stakeholders can stay connected and informed. Update important details in the properties and define a file repository to ensure that all files added to the project are secured in the appropriate space. To make it easy for all project collaborators to access shared data, add files in the Content tab from either a file upload or link to pre-existing content on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Define and assign tasks in the Tasks tab. This leverages the same collaborative tasks technology so that collaborators have a simple and familiar experience keeping track of their work. Visualize and iterate on the project timeline in the Schedule tab. Create milestones and drag and drop between tasks to create dependencies. For a rolled-up view of a project, use the Summary tab. All of this is accessible from any device with an internet connection, so you can update your projects at any time and ensure all stakeholders are on the same page. Leverage the power of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to enhance how you plan, execute, and monitor projects.